Dear students, today let us learn a new topic, and that is making adverb clause of condition. Under this category, suppose we are given the adverb if, and if we are asked to continue making new sentences, then we can make new sentences which provides a condition and a possible result. Suppose let us see the meaning of the first and the second sentences. You have a pass. That means a pass आपके पास होना जरूरी है. In that case, what happens? You can go inside. You have a pass. A precondition है. You can go inside. ये इसका possible result है. तो adverb clause of condition, one sentence comes or gives a possible condition, and the second sentence will be automatically the result of the condition. The result can be either affirmative or negative. Now let us see the first one. If you have a pass, you can go inside. That means any person who came with a pass, he was not stopped from going inside, and if somebody comes without a pass, he will be stopped. If you have a pass, in a common way we can say, if you have a pass, you can go inside. The first sentence gives a condition, that means having a pass, and the second sentence gives you the result of having a pass. And it is necessary that we remember that we have to know what is the negative aspect of the sentence also. उसके लिए आप देखें, if you do not have a pass, if you have a pass को negative किया है, do not have a pass. That means this is a precondition which he or somebody tells you that if you don't have such and such thing, you cannot go inside. This is the precondition, and this is the result which follows after that. Let us see another sentence. She dances well, she will get the first prize. Precondition is to dance well. Result is you will get the first prize. Here somebody who is she is dancing, and we can say if she dances well, she will get the first prize. If the action of dancing is going on well, then we can say surely she will get the first prize. We have connected the sentence with if, and we have put a comma in between, and we can express the action and the reaction in this form, and such sentences will be called as adverb clause of condition. Now let us remember one thing. We can reverse the sentence. We can use the sentence in the reverse order also. You can go inside if you have a pass, equal to this sentence. You cannot go inside if you don't have a pass, equal to this sentence. She will get the first prize if she dances well, equal to if she dances well, she will get the first prize. Negative sentence, she will not get the first prize if she does not dance well. It is equal to if she does not dance well, she will not get the first prize. Now in between, we have seen the negative form of the usage also. That is because when we come to use another clause of condition, that is using unless, we have to remember the negative form of the combination also. So let us remember the affirmative way of combining, and also let us remember the negative way of combining.